Gratitude. Extraordinary tool and very simple tool, no complication to execute this methodology in your life. Gratitude is one of the simplest but most powerful cognition you can have in your space within you to change your entire life 360 degree. When you start seeing the world through the perspective of gratitude, everything changes. Your entire perception changes. Your entire cognition changes. And you change the world, how it responds to you, by just shifting this cognition, shifting the focus from compliance to gratitude. When you raise your consciousness from a base emotion to a very powerful cognition like gratitude, not only you have a power to heal you, but you get the power, a powerful cognition to attract, or you have a powerful cognition to for the world to respond to you the way you really want it. How powerful it is, because your perspective changes completely. The inner space is flooded with the gratitude, and gratefulness has a powerful capacity to rearrange, reorganize things inside you. The encroachment of the mind will be eradicated totally. That much power the gratitude has it. When you start walking in the perspective of gratefulness, you start seeing a totally different world altogether. You started seeing the people around you in a totally different way. Even a small things will appear to be more differently than you have seen it before, because now you started seeing through totally different eyes altogether. That is why walking with this perspective of gratitude can destroy all your negative ailments. The heart becomes light, mind becomes slimmer, space is created more, and the world responds to you the way you want it. What else you need? You will have a good sleep, you will have a good people around you, you will be taken care. That is the power of gratitude if you can practice. This perspective of gratitude not only can fetch you what you need or what you want at this present moment, but also it has a powerful capacity to heal the past. See, if you have any black spot in your life, any bad moment happen in your life, if you can go through that bad moment today with ultimate gratitude to what happened to you to make you who you are, even the black spot, painful days of memories can evaporate and heal. It becomes your present strength. See how powerful it is to even change these base emotions to a very beautiful moments. Because you are here today as who you are because of that days. Because it is sitting inside you with some negativity, some idea that, oh, this has happened in my life, and you are thinking that there is no impact that on your life, and you are thinking that only a negative impact that happened or that gave that moment gave to you in your life, that totally wrong when you see through the perspective of gratitude. Once you start seeing through the perspective of gratitude, even those pains will become divine. Pain will become more divine, because that pain is what made who you are today. That moments. So you will transmute those painful events. You transcend those painful events and you make it as more powerful cognition to your life. All the powerless cognition will run away the moment of you bring this torchlight of gratitude to those dark rooms of pain or dark room of unwanted memories. You don't want to even look at it. You don't want to even open it. But if you bring this torch of gratitude to those black spots, I'm telling you, all those will run away from you, or transform them into more divine, more powerful cognition. So you will be transforming all those powerless cognition into a powerful cognition by this alchemy process of having gratitude perspective or walking in the gratitude terrain. Literally an alchemy process will happen inside you where all your powerless cognition will become powerful cognition just by passing through this gratitude of altitude. So all you have to do is raise your consciousness and pass all your powerless cognition through this altitude of gratitude. Now what you get is a powerful cognition. So what a beautiful technique to adopt. This can change your life 360 degree. Has a power to change your life 360 degree. When I say change, in a good way. Because the reason is very simple. You might have heard about law of attraction or whatever the other methodology and techniques. The reason behind all those things are, the moment you become gratitude in your inner space, that has a powerful, that has a capacity to create a powerful cognition within you. When you hold this torch of gratitude and walk with that, in that terrain of gratitude, all you have the words of thankfulness in your mouth, and the rest of the world respond to that situation in a more cohesive and comprehensive way, the way you expected the response should be. Because you have the ultimate gratitude within you for everybody and anybody around you, isn't it? So the whole world responds to that energy what you are holding. This is the technique of law of attraction. So this meditative space of gratitude can bring peacefulness, can bring good sleep, can bring good well-being, good health, good wealth, and what not. And what else you need? This one cognition can destroy all the negative ailments, all the negativity in your life. Because it has a power to transform all those, transmute all those things. Instead of transmute, I would say transform. Because the moment you pass through this gratitude of altitude of gratitude, all these black spot or a pain spot in your life, you have more grateful to them. You have more, it's instead of registering them as a pain and oh, this happened in my life that really, I don't want to even remember those things. Rather, you accept them as they gave you a good strength in your life. They gave you a different perspective of life, or they wake you up from the illusion of life. All those things will sit within your space in a more powerful way than before. So you already transformed those things into more useful way. What an ultimate technique to live life in a beautiful way. A very simple to adopt, but it is more powerful technique to adopt. So please have this one thought, hold this one torch in your life, in your inner space, to destroy every other minds, every other negative thoughts you may have. Let you bring this gratitude to everywhere, in every walks of your life, and see how the world is responding to you. I wish you all the very best.